Oh, hi, welcome back. Just a little bit of designing tips that you can use in CorelDraw for your designs. Let's say I have this text object and then I want to make some outlines. Right click on any color so that the outlines appear, just like so, and then I increase the size. Yeah, this is set as the default because the outlines are going into the text object, and then there are some pointy parts as well. So let's change this. Copy and paste the text, bring it downwards, and then click on the text and then click on the outline pen. Click on the outline pen. And then to make the outlines go behind the text object, click on behind fill so that it goes behind the object, just like so. You can apply it for any objects or for your shapes. And then whether you like some pointy parts, you may want to make the pointy parts of the outlines to be more rounded. Click here so that it's rounded. Alright, now pretty easy to follow, eh? Alright, that's it for the designing tips regarding the stroke style or the outline style in CorelDraw. Thanks for watching. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But from me, it's good day. Ciao.